Welcome back to Fresh Living. I'm here in the kitchen with Chef Bryan.
This
I
is
feel
like
this
old
is your
school.
kitchen.
You
know?
and I together. Here we go.
Honestly, this is yours. So thank you for welcoming me into the space. You're going to help us make a treat.
Mini corn dogs, perfect for any game day, any party, appetizer, anything you're doing, and they're so easy, Kari. Looky here.
Okay, show me what to do.
Let's start off with the little weenies here, little hot dogs here. You can call them little smokies, whatever you want to do.
I love little smokies.
Watch for them to go on sale right now because they're going to go on sale. Now, once you have those, get them out there in a bowl, and I have the corn dog mix. So cornmeal, self-rising flour, a little sugar, a little salt, a couple of eggs, and milk mixed together. Here are the little smokies in there, and I'm just coating them with the corn batter, and this is going to go right into the fryer. Now,
you know how some of them have cheese in the middle? Do you do the plain ones, or can you do the cheese
just the
ones
plain
too?
ones. You can do the cheese too.
Okay.
But this is important. Now, I already have the basket lowered in the fryer because you don't want to put them in the basket, then lower the basket because they'll stick.
Ah, okay.
So drop them right into the hot oil.
Something about the sizzling of that sounds so amazing and makes my mouth water.
Something about the smell of just deep fry.
Oh, it's so good, Bryan. This is
just
great
makes me
for
so
a
good.
party because they're like bite
Any
size.
party, anything bite size is going to work so perfect. So just drop those in, and
How
literally.
much batter are you putting on? Just a little
So just
bit?
enough to coat it, and when you get little bare spots, you can kind of spoon some on there so that they are fully coated.
You just want to cover them all.
Yeah,
Okay.
so just put them in there, drop them in there. They're kind of, oh, there's one more. I don't want to miss that one.
No, we don't.
So
We don't
let's
want
drop
any
that
of them
into
left
there.
out.
And you could do this with big hot dogs if you wanted to
Good
make
idea.
corn dogs.
I don't
So-
know, for some reason for parties, I like to be able to have a little plate, have my
Finger foods.
bite-sized finger foods,
foods
you know.
are always the best.
I just prefer
and
that. It's easier
let
to
me rinse
eat
my hands
if
off
you're
here real
walking
quick.
around and you don't have a huge plate to have to carry, so I like the little bite size. This is perfect.
So now I have my other basket that I have already cooked into it. So
Okay.
let's go ahead and just take these out, put them onto a little plate
Now,
here.
how long do they cook for?
Literally like 30 seconds. It doesn't take long at all. And
it.
if you notice them sticking to the bottom, just get a little fork, and just once they've kind of set, that cornmeal has set that batter, just kind of go and gently persuade it.
Oh, you guys, this smells so
Persuade
good.
it.
I wish you could smell this right now.
Me
This
too.
is party food.
Because this is party food right here. Now I'm going to serve these with ketchup.
Okay.
So I'm going to have you put some ketchup in there.
Okay, you got it.
And that would be great. And at noon, if you were watching, I did bacon wrapped
Those
little smokies
were so
with a
good.
jelly barbecue sauce, which would be fantastic with these. They'd be
Okay.
awesome. So, just fun little ideas for parties. And these cook a lot. So you can cook a lot of them. You can dump that whole thing into that batter, coat them all, put them in there, fry them up, and they're done. I mean,
Do you have to have a certain kind of fryer, Bryan? Or can anyone do this with like a smaller one?
anyone, even if you have a pan,
Okay.
you can just put some oil 2 to 3 inches in there, heat it up, drop them into there, let them fry up, and voila, you
put
have
little toothpicks.
Seriously,
Look
yeah.
how cute.
And put the toothpicks in because that's a great way that people can just grab them. They're not going to touch them with their hands.
Yeah.
So
Okay,
there
where
you go.
can we go for more?
Hey, the recipe will be on cookingwithchefbryan.com. You can go there and grab it and enjoy some fun party foods.
And have a great game day. I love it, Bryan. Thanks so much.
You're welcome.
And we'll be right back.